Welcome to Science Easy Tech channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about mental health nursing question paper. This question paper was taken from Dr. NTR University of Health Sciences, Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh in the year August 2021. This question paper is for BSc Nursing third year students. Before moving on to the question paper, if you are new to Science Easy Tech channel, just take a moment to subscribe our channel and also to press the notification bell icon in order to get connected with our latest updates. Let's move on to the question paper. The question paper code is 343. Dr. NTR University of Health Sciences, Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh, BSc Nursing Degree Examination, August 2021, third year examination, 4YDC program, Mental Health Nursing, new scheme. The time allotted is 3 hours and the maximum marks is 75. Answer the following questions. So under that you have 3 sessions. First session is essay, second is short notes and third one is brief answers. Let's see one by one what are all the questions they have discussed under each session. So first session is write an essay on any two of the following. As usual, they will be giving 3 essay questions. Out of those 3 essay questions, you have to answer only 2. Number 1. Discuss the prevalence and incidence of mental health problems and disorders. Number 2. You have subdivisions. 2A is describe the types of therapeutic communication. 2B is explain the ethics and responsibilities involved in therapeutic communication. So for 2A it is 5 marks and 2B it is 10 marks. Third question again you have subdivisions. 3A explain the etiology and classification of manic depressive psychosis. 3B narrate the follow-up home care and rehabilitation of MDP or manic depressive psychosis. 7 plus 8 is equal to 15 marks. So you have 1 question, 2 and 3. Out of those 3 questions you have to answer only 2. I will repeat all the questions. First question is a direct question. You don't have any subdivisions. So it carries 15 marks. So first question is discuss the prevalence and incidence of mental health problems and disorders. Second question, A. Describe the types of therapeutic communication. 2B. Explain the ethics and responsibilities involved in therapeutic communication. 3A. Explain the etiology and classification of MDP, that is manic depressive psychosis. 3B. Narrate the follow-up home care and rehabilitation of MDP or manic depressive psychosis. 7 plus 8 is equal to 15 marks for third question. For second question, 5 plus 10 is equal to 15 marks. For first question, as I told earlier, it's 15 marks. So out of these 3 questions, you can answer any 2. Next is short notes. Write short notes on any 5 of the following. 5 into 5, 25. Fourth question is mental health nursing issues with elderly. Fifth question, discharge procedure. Sixth question, stress adaptation model. Seventh question, treatment modalities of adolescent disorders in mental deficiency. Eighth question, management of patients with post-traumatic stress disorder. Ninth question, mini mental status examination. 10th question, role of nurse in electroconvulsive therapy. So here I repeat the questions. 7 questions they will be giving. Out of those 7 you have to write 5. So what is the fourth question? Mental health nursing issues with elderly. Fifth question is discharge procedures. Sixth question, stress adaptation model. Seventh question, treatment modalities of adolescent disorders in mental deficiency. Eighth question, Management of patients with post-traumatic stress disorder. Ninth question, mini mental status examination. 10th question, role of nurse in electroconvulsive therapy. Next is brief answers. So brief answers, each question carries 2 marks and there is no choice in brief answers. They will be giving 10 brief answers. You have to answer all the 10. So 10 into 2 is 20 marks. So 11th question is define schizophrenia. 11th question, define schizophrenia. 12th question, define withdrawal syndrome. 12th question is define withdrawal syndrome. 13th question, list down the principles of crisis intervention. 13th question, list down the principles of crisis intervention. 14th question, define International Mental Health Agency. 14th question, define International Mental Health Agency. 15th question, define mental health nursing. 15th question, define mental health nursing. 16th question, enumerate any 5 defense mechanisms. 16th question, enumerate any 5 defense mechanism. 17th question, define illusion. 17th question is define illusion. 18th question, enumerate the advantages of psychosocial therapy. 18th question, enumerate the advantages of psychosocial therapy. 19th question is enlist the symptoms of manic depressive disorder. 19th question, enlist the symptoms of manic depressive disorder. 20th question, define daycare center. 20th question, define daycare center. Hope this video is clear for you all. Already I have posted many videos related to BSc nursing subjects as well as BSc and post basic nursing question papers. You can watch our channel playlist BSc nursing question papers for more question paper related videos also. For some of the subjects we have posted important key for 2 marks question also. You can watch in the same playlist. I have given the playlist links in the description box, end card as well as suggested icons, so you can go and watch it and get benefited. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to Science Easy Tech channel. My previous videos link I have given in description box. If you have not watched it, please go and watch it. Keep supporting to Science Easy Tech channel. Thank you friends.